for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. Michelle, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
It's okay, Cashy. Oh.
Where's Justice?
Justice! Nanny's here.
Where's my man?
Stop. Cash. Stop.
Oh no!
Juju!
Mia? Who is this? Oh, my man. Oh, let Nanny sit down.
He won't even let her go. He won't even let her sit down. Oh.
Stop it.
What's good, man? Shell,
Stay a while.
why are you doing this?
No. Let's see what Nanny got. It's not nothing big. It's gonna crack you up.
It's like something,
Open it up. So you have your own Nanny, they feel like I got matching ones with you.
All right. Wait a minute.
Wait till you put your foot in it.
Wait a minute, is it a trick?
No, I didn't prank you. I'm not gonna prank you, Nanny.
All right.
Does it feel good?
Yes. I love them, Chef.
Yep.
Oh, yes. My brain.
I got your coffee pot over there too.
All right.
Is that the right kind you drink?
Yes. I can get me a lyric to make my coffee. Right?
Yeah, we'll go back to this. Oh, you're gonna like this one.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's your own special coffee cup, so you can take it back home with you.
That's beautiful.
Of course.
So nice. I think you got your,
And I put the filters in there. Oh yeah, and your other gift is in the trunk. We got you your own personal case of water, because I told them she loves her water. Look at you. I didn't go with the blazer. I went to H&M and I got this button up because it's supposed to be real hot today. We got the dunks on the feet. How you feeling today?
Good.
Feeling good. Shape up. Is eating. You looking good. Looking handsome. Oh, that's your swaggy face. There goes my handsome man. Yeah. We about to go to graduation. Who's the coolest kid in the world? You? You feel good? You ready to graduate kindergarten? I'm so proud of you. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Getting ready to go to Juju's graduation. Got my nanny here.
Hi.
Are you excited to see your great-grand?
Yes, I am. You know, my great-grandson is going to the first grade.
Yep.
Oh, can't believe it.
Yes, and we got Queen. It's a beautiful day to celebrate Juju. How you feeling this morning, Dad?
Emotional. I'm proud. I'm a proud dad.
Our boy is going to the first grade. He made it through the school year, y'all. It was a little rough in the beginning, but he made it, and I'm so proud. I'm so excited, my baby. Why I didn't bring no tissues? I know I'm gonna need some tissues, because I'm a crier, y'all. My precious nanny. He's trying to get a good seat, but I don't know what side he's gonna be on, so. Hi, son.
first.
Come on. Where's your certificate at?
Take a picture of the certificate.
Look, you graduated. Now you're a big boy. Let's hold that up.
Oh, wow. Your name is on there.
You gonna eat, graduate?
Graduate.
You graduated. What you gonna eat? You gotta look at your menu.
I can't read.
So what do you have a taste for?
That thing. Remember that thing you gave me?
And he's beating you in tic-tac-toe? You gonna let her beat you?
No.
Come on, son, you gotta focus.
He took my X.
Oh, he's Xing your O?
I had to use his O, and that's when he beat me.
You're cheating.
All right, give me a face.
Cheater. So I'm making spaghetti for the kids, and I decided that I wanted to make some homemade dog food for Cash. So I have some grass-fed beef right here, and then in the crock pot I have some brown rice, some jasmine rice, cauliflower, carrots, and broccoli. We're gonna see how he does, because I feel like the food that I'm getting is not really filling him up, and it's super expensive. So this whole meal that I have right here was under $10 from Aldi's. So I'm gonna meal prep and see how many days I can get out of this. The only thing I forgot to get was the bone broth. It might be a little bland for my boy, but it's gonna be nutritious. Forgot to tell you guys I added some lentils in here too. So I'm gonna let this cook for a good 4 hours to make sure it's nice and tender for my boy. Look, we already got some broth. He gonna be in 7th heaven. At this point, I'm just adding shit. So I just forgot I gotta add the spinach because he needs more green. And that's it. That's everything in a bowl. All right, guys, so the food is done. I put some on here. This is like his slow feeder because he never chews his food up. He literally just swallows it. Savage mode starts now. 9:10. Let's see how long it takes him to clear this. Look, he cooked it. He cleared it. It's safe to say he likes mama's home cooked food. Yup. Mm-hmm. And he came over and he gave me a nice thank you, right, Cashy boy? Oh yeah, you're welcome. So my grandma and I are in the kitchen. She bought me this duo neutral sealer, and basically it's good to store your food up and it keeps it fresh for 5 times longer. It doesn't get frostbite. It has an airtight double seal. You can create individual snacks and all that good stuff. So she's gonna show me how to do it because I made Cash dog food and I don't want it to go to waste. So what she's doing right now is she's cutting, because it comes with the roll of this paper. She's cutting it for the size that she thinks is suitable for the dog bags. Opening part goes down first.
And then you're going to seal it. Half.
Crease right there.
Mom, I'm recording you.
And you're going to press down.
Okay. Nanny.
And then you come over, you see vacuum and seal. This do it at one time. This is seal only.
Okay.
And this is vacuum only. That means to vacuum the air out of the bag before you seal it.
Okay.
Take 2 bags out of this.
Ah. So that's enough for 1 portion for Cash. Maybe a little bit more, but that, no, that's good. That's perfect.
It's going to draw all of the air out and seal.
Okay.
See?
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Guys, so here it is. Meal prep for Cash. Just like that. I wrote the date so I know, you know. But this stays good up to what? How long, Nanny, you said?
A year or more.
Yeah, literally. He'll get a few days out of this. To be continued, because we're going to go shopping and we're going to get some meat. So I'm going to show you guys how it works when we do it with actual meats. Poultry, chicken, turkey meat, all that good stuff. We're going to the pool with Nanny.
Are you going to dive in and put your head under the water for Nanny?
Nope, I can't.
He doesn't like to go in the water without his goggles. Right?
Yeah.
Here is no running, honey.
Yeah, get over here.
He's trying to flirt with a little girl. If it's one thing Juju's gonna do, he's gonna make a friend. Put your foot in.
Ah! Ah! It's cold! Cold, cold! Ah!
Nanny, how are you enjoying the Carolinas so far?
Beautiful. Beautiful. It's so nice and comfortable down here. The scenery is breathtaking.
I'm coming back for you when I get the house, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. I
So
would love that.
you coming?
Yes.
Hi guys, so I'm in the car baking, melting away. It's like 90 degrees. My grandma, Lyric, and I are headed over to TJ Maxx because my grandma, she wants to look at some stuff and pick out some clothes and stuff down here. Didn't pack too much because she wanted to shop when she got here. And then we're gonna probably go to the grocery store because we want to cook out today. We want to grill a little something. Your girl has been fiending for a juicy grilled hamburger. But that's what's on the agenda for today. It's really freaking hot. Like, I'm not complaining because this is my type of weather, but look, I just took this out the freezer. It's already melted, look. And look how dark I'm getting, y'all. Look at my tan. He's in the streets once again, Nanny. We're going to TJ Maxx. Maybe we can find your husband down here, Nanny. What you thinking?
That would be fine with me.
This is a cute vest, y'all. I think I want to get something like this. I feel like this is coming back out in style again. With a pair of cute denim shorts, right? That would be a cute fit. Too big.
Too big?
It's cute though, but I feel like it's too loose. Look.
Oh yeah, it is too loose. They don't have a smaller size?
This is extra small. But I feel like I don't have that. Supposed to be helping my nanny because she looking for some linen loose fitted pants. I like the brown, Nanny.
I do too.
But you don't want the wide, right?
It doesn't matter, man.
Well, I like this color too. This is cute too, Nanny. It's a beige. It's not white. But for her too. We can try them on. No? She said no. She try it on. Oh, that is so cute.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hide it. So when we come
How much is it?
I don't know. I'm gonna hide it so I can find it when I come
No,
back.
let me see. Look at the tag.
$30.
30?
Yeah.
That's
Steve
cute.
Madden.
Oh, you like that color? They don't have black?
On Saturday, I went to go out and this yellow butter dress.
This is cute. What's this? Well, what's these little pom-poms? They're throwing me off. That's cute.
I need the strap.
That is so cute. You got it on with both bags. Nanny, take off your other bag. Let me see. Yeah, it is. Let me see you strut. Come on. Yes. Yes, Nanny. This one is so cute. Try that one on. Let me see. That's cute. I love it. Oh, that's cute, Nanny. That's cute. Look at this. This one is so cute. Back home, guys, and guess what? Nanny and I have been dying to try this Ninja Sizzle indoor grill. I have a grill where I live, but it seems to be complicated and it's too hot, so we're gonna try it out. It gets up to 500 degrees. Char grill mark, so basically it's supposed to taste like a grilled burger. So we have hamburgers, we have hot dogs, we got baked beans, some chips, and we're gonna try it out and see how it works. If it don't work good, y'all already know I'm the queen of bringing stuff back. Look how cute this grill is, y'all. And then you just lift it up, and boom, you got your indoor grill. And it says that you can cook seafood. What'd you see, Nanny?
All type.
Seafood, vegetables, steak, salmon, everything.
Grilled Greek chicken burger.
Ooh,
You can do chicken.
ooh,
And these are pork chops.
ooh,
Ribeye.
ooh.
Okay, let's get started.
We gonna preheat for 7 minutes. I'm gonna put it on 325. Ooh, y'all hear that sizzle? Baby, we grilling in the house. Chef Nanny and Chef Shells is back in the kitchen. Like the old times, baby. Now I'm about to close it and we're gonna let it cook. Cooking quick. Ooh, baby. Y'all see them lines? It's giving Burger King. Oh, look at Nanny's wrist. She still got it. It's still in her wrist. Look at her wrist. Watch her wrist go. Oh. Go on, Nanny. Let them know. Show them, Nanny. Why did I have a whole meltdown? I just finished watching the movie Stroll with Taraji Henson on Netflix. And when I tell you, that movie hit home in so many different ways. Comment down below if you guys seen it. I don't want to spoil it, but you have to watch it. And when I tell you I went through so many different motions and notions and emotions, I had to collect myself. It wasn't just a few tears. I was like, it was giving all of that. OMG. I could relate to her character in so many different ways because, child, y'all know when it be raining, it be storming. Please go watch it. Beautiful day. I've been out running all day. I've been Instacarting and still trying to find stuff to do with my grandma, but she's kind of limited, you know, because she's a little older, so she can't really, you know, move and groove like she wants to. So I'm trying to find things for her to do. It doesn't require a lot of strenuous activities, walking, stuff like that, because I only have her for a few more days. But I definitely wanted to just come in and close the vlog out and also let you guys know that I am working on something different with my products, because if you don't know, I have my own hair growth oil, Truly Tresses hair growth oil. If you want to get your hands on some, you can check the description and you can contact me that way. I'm working on adding another product to the line, and yeah, I'm so excited because your girl's working, and hopefully I get my website up and running again, because a lot of you guys want to purchase but you ask where the website is. Hopefully we get it up and running soon, but either way you can contact me through my social medias and baby Shells is gonna get it out to you. With that being said, I'm gonna close the vlog out. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't liked the video, leave me a comment, and see you guys in my next video.
Simply Michelle.